There's a brand new Telegram trading bot that has entered the scene. It's getting a lot of attention recently because apparently it has some really cool features and it's supposed to be really quick. So a lot of big and reputable traders are now using Nova to trade Solana meme coins. So today I'm going to cover exactly how to get set up, what it looks like, how to use it, and I'll also show you how a lot of these traders are using it, how they've got it set up, and how you can utilize it to make the most out of this bot. So if you enjoy the content, smash a like and subscribe to the channel. With that said, let's dive straight into it. First of all, you obviously need to get signed up. Now, Nova isn't public yet because they just launched 2 weeks ago, so you do still need an access code to get access to this trading bot. But I do have an access code or link down below, so if you sign up using my referral link, you do support me, but you also get early access to this trading bot. So make sure you check out that link. And like I said, this is a Telegram trading bot, so it's not like a website like BullX. So personally, I'm still using BullX when trading on my laptop, but it's very nice to have a Telegram option for when you're on the go and want to trade on your phone, or you can also combine the two, as I will show you very soon. But once you sign up with the link down below, you will obviously get a brand new wallet. Make sure you save your private key and you can import that into Phantom. You can also import that into BullX, so you're using the same wallet across all of the different trading platforms and Phantom as well. And then this is what it looks like. So you can buy, you can look at positions, wallets. They have their own sniper as well as copy trading feature. I will make separate videos on both of those features. The sniping feature is very interesting, as well as the copy trading feature. I will put that to the test properly. I'll basically spend $1,000 to copy trade multiple different insider wallets, whales, profitable meme coin wallets, and see how much money I can make during a week of copy trading using this feature. But that is for another video. You also have limit orders, you have settings, referrals, etc. So the first thing I would do is go to settings, because here you can obviously change everything you would want. So you have MEV protection. I would certainly have that on when it comes to purchases. It's not as important for sells, but when buying, you do want MEV protection. You also have slippage. I think the standard is 50%. I have personally changed my buy slippage to 15 and my sell slippage to 20%. I do want the sell slippage to be a bit higher because it's more important to get out of trades quickly than it is to get into position quickly, for me at least, because once I'm in a trade and I decide to sell, I do want to get out instantly. While with purchases, if it doesn't go through, it's not the end of the world. So that is kind of the sweet spot for me personally, but obviously if you have other preferences, feel free to use whatever you want. Then you also have quick buy and quick sell, so you obviously want to put your own amounts right here. I have put 0.2 Sol, 0.6 Sol, 1.5, 4 and 10 Solana for the quick buys. And then you can also change the quick sells. I have 25%, 50% and 100%. For the fees, these are the standard fees. I would probably increase the buy fee a little bit. It does say the recommended tip is 0.011 Sol, so you might as well just use the recommended option. And then once you have set up your settings properly, you can start using this bot. You obviously need to deposit some funds into your wallet. You can paste any ticker or any address into this bot and it will show up like this. So you do have your quick buys right here. You have MEV protection on, you have the slippage, you have the processor. You can also set up a sniper or multi-buy or limit orders if you want to. But one thing I do want to show you, and how I've seen many other big traders using this bot, is they have been using it together with BullX. Like, this is obviously in a single monitor setup because I'm just recording or screen recording on my single screen. But if you do have multiple monitors, you can obviously have BullX on one, Nova on one, Discord on one, etc. But this is what it will look like if you have one screen, and you can be using BullX, check the charts, etc. And if you do prefer trading on Nova, find that Nova is easier or faster than BullX, etc., you can just be using that on the side. You can decide to buy 0.2 Sol, for example. Once that is done, you can see that the buy order obviously shows up on BullX as well, because it is the same wallet I'm using on Nova as BullX. So this is how a lot of people are using it. But Nova do have one more cool thing, because they have released Nova Click, which is a Chrome extension. I do have it turned off right now, but if I do turn this on, it basically shows up like this on BullX. So it's an integration. Now, unfortunately, I have been getting this issue where BullX flags it and other websites also flag it as a suspicious extension. So it doesn't actually work properly for me. It works properly for some other people, and I'm sure they're working on a fix for this, but essentially you get the point. You can use BullX like normal, but actually make trades using Nova directly on the BullX website. I did find that quite cool. Personally, as I said, I'm still just using BullX, so if you want to check out BullX NEO, which is a really good trading platform as well, you can sign up using my link down below for instant access and 10% less fees. But I will certainly be utilizing Nova more often for trading on the go on my phone when I don't have my laptop or computer available, as well as to utilize the features that BullX don't have, like their sniper feature as well as the copy trading feature. I have also heard rumors that they have some really cool things coming up in the future. It obviously only launched like 2 weeks ago. They already have like 40,000 users, I believe. I have been in touch with the team. They seem like really cool people. So I did want to make this quick tutorial for you guys on how to use Nova, because it is a really cool Telegram trading bot. And as I said, if you do want to sign up and get instant access, don't have to join the waitlist, you can get instant access using my link down below. I'll also leave the link to Phemex, which is my preferred exchange, down below. So if you want to do any sort of leverage trading or just get a new exchange, or you're just not happy with your current exchange, Phemex is a great option. So I will leave that link down below as well. If you enjoyed this video, smash a like and subscribe to the channel. As I said, I will be making separate videos on the Nova sniping feature as well as their copy trading feature, where I will make it kind of into like a little copy trading challenge video. So that should be really interesting. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Follow me over on Twitter, join my Telegram, join my Discord, so we can all win together. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.